and check the history that the country had to experience over the previous decades. But as a result of that, the same spirit will propel this country to achieve alongside our other members of ASEAN, Timor-Leste as the 11th and the newest member of the family of ASEAN. And it is our desire and our hope to be offer any assistance and help that is needed so that the Timor-Leste, its government and the civil service, its other sectors will be able to acquire the necessary capabilities and capacity that is needed to be a responsible and contributing member of the ASEAN family. On this accord, the Singapore government, we have designed and embarked on the enhanced A-Star project, which is Singapore-Timor ASEAN Readiness Support Package. And in that particular offering, a number of training programs has been incorporated alongside the Singapore Cooperation Program, where more than 1,000 officials from Timor-Leste had already participated. And learning training that is held in Singapore as well as on site here in Timor-Leste will equip and hopefully accelerate the development and the understanding of the Timorese officials in their preparation to become a full-fledged member. We very much look forward to our continued cooperation and friendship to the people of Timor-Leste. It's been my pleasure and honor that have been restored with the responsibility of the ambassador to this station. So thank you very much. I wish the nation every success. Thank you. All right, thank you. What on my mind? Oh,